The federal and state governments really have not stepped up to this challenge.
He's talking about the mental health crisis.
Over the course of the last 50 or 60 years have stepped away from it.
The crisis center's levy is on the April 25th special election ballot.
There's going to be 5 crisis care centers that were going to be created through your support.
But your support would mean another yearly tax. It's a tax property owners in King County would absorb, about $120 a year for those owning a median-priced home. So what do those on the front lines think of the need?
We've noticed an increased demand with people that are suffering from mental illness. Really, our only option when somebody's having a mental health crisis is the ER right now.
But due to capacity strain in the ER, he says there are often longer wait times than they had before.
An hour or so at some of our hospitals, just because of the demand that's going on in the ER.
And firefighters have to stay and wait with them, putting that unit out of service. Meantime, off Rainier Avenue South, King County already has a small crisis center, but only first responders can drop off patients.
There's the Crisis Solutions Center, but there's definitely not a lot of beds there. I mean, it's the only facility that we have for all of King County.
2.3 million people in the county and only 46 beds in this building.
Having those crisis intervention centers will help alleviate some of the overcrowding that we're seeing in all the other places. Not only the Crisis Solutions Center, but also jail, the ERs.
And that's something this firefighter says will allow them to focus on doing what they're best at, fighting fires.
The more tools that we have in our toolbox, the better we are to be able to serve the public when they're having an emergency.
And since the pay structure wouldn't rely on out-of-pocket co-pays or insurance, I'm told nobody would be turned away at the doors of these walk-in clinics if they lack health insurance. Reporting live in studio tonight, I'm Maddie White, King 5 News.